In this video, we will show the best bedside tables available to buy. At number 10. Amazon brand, Solimo wood bedside table, the premium quality engineered wood bedside table which has undergone more than 15 safety and quality tests. Sturdy bedside table with a shelf load capacity of 8 kilograms. At number 9. Nisar Handicrafts Sheesham wooden corner bedside table. This classic corner shelf is made from wood to offer years of durable performance. With a sleek and rich cherry finish. At number 8. Bluewood Oliver side table. The Oliver bedside table from Bluewood is an absolute essential for your bedroom, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your decor theme. At number 7. DecorNation Bay bedside table. This product is DecorNation Movo side end matte finish table with storage and drawer, dark wenge. The primary material is engineered wood with laminate. At number 6. AAROORA bedside end table. This bedside table is made of high-grade MDF engineered wood which provides ample storage for knickknacks, decorative items, books, lamps and other sundries. At number 5. Farah Creations beautiful wooden folding side table. It helps accentuate the style of your other living room furniture. Usually placed at the home, it is a very important component of the overall look of your living room. At number 4. DecorNation Sheesham engineered wood end table. This DecorNation solid wood side table is handcrafted with utmost precision, using the finest wood, to create an exceptional piece of art, furniture. At number 3. Royaloak Grape bedside table. The visual appeal of this bedside table, from Royaloak, lies in the contrast between the dark brown and white finish. At number 2. Amaze Shoppee wooden beautiful handmade stool. It is made with high durable wood that gives you assurance of stability of the item. It is an ideal gift for a housewarming, birthday or anniversary party. At number 1. Tarkan Classico bedside portable table. It has an adjustable height, perfect for both adults and kids to use under different environments. It's easy to move around and at home with its light weight.